The U.S. manufacturing landscape is as dynamic as ever. Driven by innovation, logistics advantages, and skilled labor pools, several states stand out as national leaders across different sectors, from corrugated packaging and paper to metal fabrication, industrial motion products, and wire and cable manufacturing. This comprehensive guide explores the top 15 states dominating manufacturing in 2025, segmented into 5 core categories: packaging and paper products, metal manufacturing, consumer goods, building materials, and industrial components. Whether you're a safety manager, plant leader, or supply chain professional, this state-by-state breakdown will inform smarter decisions on sourcing, compliance, and operational expansion. Georgia is a front-runner in corrugated packaging and paper product manufacturing. With global players like Pratt Industries and WestRock, Georgia benefits from excellent logistics, a pro-business environment, and a strong industrial workforce. Georgia's leadership helps fuel packaging for e-commerce, food, and beverage sectors, making safety standards and throughput speed essential in production facilities. Ohio blends tradition with innovation in packaging. Companies like Sunoco support industrial and consumer packaging, aided by Ohio's extensive transport infrastructure and manufacturing legacy. With a long history in paper products, Wisconsin remains a hidden gem. International paper and local eco-conscious manufacturers drive the state's sustainability and high-quality output. South Carolina is an emerging leader, thanks to its proximity to ports and growth in industrial packaging. Sunoco operates major facilities here, supporting the state's growing logistics and packaging sector. Texas brings scale and reach to the packaging game. Home to WestRock and other key manufacturers, its energy affordability and Gulf Coast access give it a strategic edge. Indiana is a top steel-producing state, critical for automotive and heavy equipment manufacturing. Its proximity to raw materials and leading steel companies like Cleveland-Cliffs position it as the heart of metal forming. Michigan excels in automotive-based metal fabrication, from aluminum to die casting. Its skilled workforce powers precision manufacturing across multiple sectors, including aerospace and defense. Again appearing in the top ranks, Ohio's metal manufacturing sector is rooted in iron and steel. Foundries and mills here support infrastructure and renewable energy growth. Pennsylvania's metallurgy legacy, especially in Pittsburgh, has evolved with the times. Now home to specialty alloy producers and research centers, the state continues to innovate in casting and forming. Illinois focuses on precision casting and specialty alloys, supported by top-tier logistics. From rail to power generation, the state supports national-scale metal manufacturing. California dominates in electronics and computer manufacturing, particularly around Silicon Valley. It also supports major packaging operations and is key in global distribution due to its ports. Beyond energy, Texas is also a force in plastics, packaging, and electronics, making it a consumer goods production powerhouse. Precision-focused Indiana supports consumer product manufacturing through efficient, automated operations, important for items like appliances and hardware. Ohio's consumer goods sector includes household items, plastics, and packaging. Its central location aids rapid delivery across North America. Michigan's industrial base includes packaging and electronics manufacturing, beyond its well-known automotive operations. Top states for PVC and conduit. Ohio leads in PVC pipe and conduit expansion with greenfield projects. Texas is strategic for chemical supply chain integration. North Carolina has an advanced manufacturing climate and skilled labor. California is meeting infrastructure demand for urban growth. Pennsylvania is reviving Rust Belt strength in construction materials. Top states for insulation. Ohio is the nation's top employer in insulation manufacturing. Texas is growing due to housing booms. Georgia is home to Knauf Insulation, serving Southeast markets. California pushes green building innovation with companies like Johns Manville. Indiana hosts CertainTeed facilities and serves as a distribution hub. As production expands across these 15 states, machine safety, workforce training, and risk management become even more critical. Safety professionals should focus on adaptable guarding systems, especially in high-speed lines like packaging or motion product assembly. Documentation and compliance are essential to ensure all safety practices align with OSHA, ANSI, and NFPA standards. Routine risk assessments are critical in fast-changing facilities like consumer goods and electronics manufacturing. Knowing where your components come from helps ensure product integrity and safety standards. Some of the top companies fueling this manufacturing boom include Pratt Industries in Georgia, WestRock in Texas and Georgia, Sonoco in Ohio and South Carolina, International Paper in Wisconsin, Timken and Cleveland Gear in Ohio, Encore Wire in Texas, Leviton, Samtec, and JM Eagle in California, and nationwide, Atcora and Avient, Polyone for PVC products nationwide, and CertainTeed, Johns Manville, and Knauf for insulation leaders. The manufacturing sector is transforming rapidly, and these top 15 states are leading the charge. Whether it's a corrugated packaging plant in Georgia or a metal fabrication facility in Indiana, these regions provide the infrastructure, workforce, and business environments that fuel American industry. For companies looking to expand, partner, or upgrade safety operations, understanding where industrial strength lies is the first step towards smarter, more sustainable decisions. As reshoring, automation, and innovation continue to shape the U.S. landscape, staying ahead of regional trends will be key to long-term success.